Instagram is no longer a photo sharing app. That was the message that the head of Instagram gave a few weeks ago when he was talking about the next phase of Instagram. So it's actually very true that Instagram is no longer a photo sharing app now. Ever since they introduced video, of course, into the app, Reels, and of course, e-commerce, which allows to support creators to sell their merch and other businesses as well to sell on Instagram as well. And Instagram has been pushing Reels a lot ever since the new redesign change, where the icon of the Reels is now on the main has a main prime position where it used to be the upload button to upload your photos or videos is now a place for Reels. So yeah, it's true that Instagram is no longer a photo sharing app, and that Instagram is pushing more into the video and Reels section of the app. So, what about photographers or people, pro or amateur photographers who want to share their photos? So, you can still share your photos, of course, on Instagram, but Instagram's not going to be pushing that a lot in their algorithm. You're not going to get a lot of likes about them. You're not going to get a lot of views from those photos app. So, that's where a new platform comes in. This new platform is called Glass. So Glass is a awesome new platform for amateur or pro photographers to upload their photos on their platform and share them and comment, just like how it used to be on Instagram. But this is of course just for photos and that's it. You don't upload any videos or anything like that. It's just a photo community centered place. So let's talk about this awesome new app called Glass on iOS. So first off, of course, is a premium feature. It's a premium platform place. So it's not actually free, even though you do get 2 weeks for free in the beginning. But after that, there is a monthly payment or a yearly payment that you can choose from as well. And these payments help it, of course, not just to support the developers, of course, behind the application Glass, but also it helps so that they don't have to push ads into these applications and keep them, and showing ads and everything when you want to have a nice experience on a photo sharing app. Next, of course, is there's no algorithm on the timeline. So what that means is it's not like Instagram, where Instagram is by an algorithm that shows you what it thinks you want to see on the feed. This one is by chronological order algorithm timeline. So that means that you'll see the latest update from your followers from the latest post that they have posted of their photos on the app, which is really nice, of course, if you want to see the latest photo that they uploaded, and not like on Instagram where they're trying to show you the most content that they think that the algorithm wants you to see. So yeah, it's a big difference from an algorithm to a chronological timeline. Uh, but what's also interesting about this application is that there are no numbers. So what I mean by no numbers is that you cannot see how many people like your photo. You cannot see how many followers you have on this application. And it's just, it's a little bit weird in the beginning because, we come to get used to seeing the numbers of followers, the number of likes that our photos get, and there's none of that on this app. This app is just mostly where people could comment on your photo, enjoy the photo, of course, on a beautiful feed on Glass, and it just comment on photos and just build a community around your photography work and other people as well in the same space. So there is a notification setting on the application where you do get notified of every time you do get a new follower. So from there you can pretty much guess how many followers you have on the application. But if you forget or something like that, then there's no way to tell in total how many followers you have. But you do get notifications of when you get a new follower, which is always nice, of course, to see that the platform is, there's people in the platform and they're uploading photos. And so, yeah, it's just a really fantastic thing that you still get notifications from that. But you can also turn them off if you want, if you don't want to see any notifications on the app. And that's pretty much it. Oh, another big feature that I really enjoy about this application is the data that you can see behind the photo, and that means is that you can see the EXF, I think it's called, where you get to see the settings and the gear that the photo was taken in. So you just click on the photo right there, and it will show you all the information of what gear it was used, what settings and everything it was used as well to take that photo, which is always really nice, of course, because as photographers we always like to see how did that photographer take that shot, and now you have a great way just to show how the photo was taken, so that you can mimic that shot and get that same shot as well, using that same settings. If you don't have the gear, at least you can still have the settings as well, so you can get the photo as close as possible. And of course, the star of the show on this application is the photos. I just love how the photos are uncropped or anything like that on the app. On the feed, it's just really beautiful as well. So you could just be stuck looking at beautiful, really nicely shot done. So if you want to see premium photography work, it could be professional or amateur photography work. I highly recommend you guys go check out Glass. Now, like I said, the Glass is still invite only, so there is a waiting list as well. So I had to wait like almost 2 days just to get in. I do have 3 invites, of course. So if you do want to get into the application, just comment below, and I'll give you a code for one invite, for one of 3 invites. And so yeah, and I'll invite the 3 people who comment and to who want to join the application and start sharing their photos and build a nice community of photographers on the app. So that's pretty much it for this video. Glass could be the new Instagram for photographers. It could be a place for where we share photos and communicate, of course, comment, like the photos of everybody. So yeah, it's just a really, really fantastic place, and there's a ton of amazing photography going on in this app. So we'll see how it goes with this app in the future, if it will stay popular and all that. Right now it's still loading really slowly, but I highly recommend you guys go check out the application and see for yourself how beautiful it is as well. Just the application design is just really amazing. So that's it for now, guys, and as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.